Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add swap memory in Red Hat Linux after increasing your VM storage. First, I increased the virtual disk size in VMware by 1 GB. This gives our Linux system extra space to work with. Next, we booted into Red Hat and checked the current swap memory using the command swap and s. You can see if swap already exists and how much space is allocated. Now, we create a new swap file using the command allocate l1g/swap file. This creates a 1 GB swap file in your system. Then, we format the file as swap using swap/swap file and enable it with swap and /swap file. To make the swap permanent, we add an entry in /etc/stab. Finally, we verify our new swap memory using freeh. As you can see, the total swap space has increased, which helps improve system performance, especially if your RAM is limited. And that's it. You've successfully added swap memory to your Red Hat Linux system after expanding your VMware disk. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Linux tutorials.